Hello and welcome to the Havilland Aircraft Museum. My name is Alistair and I'm the museum's curator. As you know, we're closed to the public at the moment, so it's very hard to come around and see our aircraft, impossible in fact. So what we're going to do is we're going to share a few of our choice exhibits and aircraft with you via these posts, and hope that you'll be enthused inspired to come and see them later on when we're open again. So today's post is all about the DH.110 Vixen. There's this one here. Naval jet fighter, designed and built originally in the 1950s, the early 1950s, when it was a very advanced state-of-the-art twin-engine supersonic twin-seat jet fighter for the Royal Air Force and the Royal Navy. Unfortunately, the prototype aircraft crashed at the Farnborough Air Show in 1952, killing both crew and also a lot of people on the ground. So that put development back a long way. It didn't enter service until 1959, when the Navy used it as the Sea Vixen. This is a Sea Vixen here. It was built, this one particularly was built in the 1960s, and I'm going to show you around the front side of it now, and you can see just what an enormous piece of kit it really is. Follow me around and we'll have a look. It's a twin-seater aircraft, two-seater side by side. You've got a pilot sitting on the left-hand side, and you've got an observer, navigator, radar operator, crewman sitting on the right-hand side, but the observer is sitting right down inside the fuselage of the aircraft. So we have no forward view at all. Only the pilot can see out, and that's why the thing has a slightly lopsided look to the cockpit, and that's just because only the pilot has a view. Now, I'm just going to stop for a second, and I'm going to climb on board, climb up on top of it, and show you from above. So starting at the nose, we've got the airborne interception radar, followed by the pilot's cockpit. Very big, sophisticated cockpit now compared to earlier aircraft. And to the right of the pilot, down inside, as I say, is the observer. Now here's a point where you can tell whether your Sea Vixen is a Mark 1 or a Mark 2. They came in two different forms. Our Sea Vixen started life as a Mark 1. It was built in the early 1960s, and it was built with the flush canopy fitting the hatch over the observer's cockpit. Later on it was converted to a Mark II when they put these very large booms over the wings. We'll have a look at those in a minute. But the purpose-built Mark II aircraft had the much larger window hatch over the observer's cockpit. For the connoisseur of the Sea Vixen, that's how you can tell if you've got a Mark I that was converted to a Mark II, or if you've got a thoroughbred Mark II. Ours started life as a Mark I, converted to a Mark II in about the mid-60s, and then flew on as a Mark II afterwards. It flew from HMS, I believe HMS Hermes and also HMS Eagle. It's wearing the colours of 899 Squadron aboard HMS Eagle. Now, HMS Eagle came out of commission with the Royal Navy in 1972, but this particular aircraft left Eagle a couple of years beforehand, and it went to the Royal Aircraft Establishment at Bedford, where it was used extensively for catapult launch trials and arrestor hook landing trials. So it's probably done more catapult launches and arrestor hook landings than most other Sea Vixens in actual fact. The RAE were finished with it in 1976, and it came here in that year. Sadly, it's been outdoors ever since, but not for very much longer, because when we get up and running again and we get the people together, we are going to fold the wings on this aircraft and we're going to move it inside our new hangar. Being a naval aircraft, the wings fold, so we're going to do that manually, and then we're going to push it into the new hangar where it will take pride of place as our naval exhibition. Now, they're an interesting design, these twin boomer aircraft, because when you have these booms above the wings, you have lots of space to put stuff in, and I've opened this one up so you can just about see. Sorry, you can't hear there, but you can, if I stand a bit closer and look behind me, you can probably see there, it's got the avionics in it for the missile systems. Underneath, you can just see at the bottom, you can see the original, very much smaller tail booms that the original Mark I aircraft had. So there's three very primitive computers basically there to control the red top missiles that will be carried underneath the wings, and then the rearmost canopy, the rearmost enclosure is for an oxygen tank, and all the forward tank is what's called a pinion tank, and it contains fuel. So everything from here forwards is all fuel. If you look down to the side there, you can see the big long black probe, and that's the refuelling probe for air-to-air refuelling, where a Sea Vixen could take on more fuel, usually from another Sea Vixen, not always, but that was the principle of it. So there's our Sea Vixen, folding wings. You can just see the wing fold joints there, we look forward to one day bringing this into the hangar. It's going to be a restoration job. What we have in mind for this one is strip out everything inside the cockpit and restore what's inside the cockpit, and basically strip the whole aircraft down to bare metal and repaint it, and it'll get a lovely new coat of paint, and it will really look the business again. I really can't wait to see it looking its best once more. So that's it for the Sea Vixen. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay tuned, stay in touch. Join us again soon. Thanks very much.